Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and don't be confused with this Craft Buddy sticker. This is not a Craft Buddy item. The seller put it into a Craft Buddy box, so I got really excited thinking it was my Craft Buddy order, because I have ordered something from Craft Buddy and it isn't. So yeah, it wasn't until I got out of the post office I was like, that ain't Craft Buddy, because it's vinted. So yeah. Anyway, right, so let's get into here. This is another light up kit. It's so big, this box, so I might keep this because this can come in quite handy for storing some of them in. I could probably fit 3 or 4 in there for storage and stuff. So let's see whether we can get into this big box. It looks like there's a, yeah, we'll cut that off there because this looks like it flips up. Oh yes, right, okay. Now this one is, there's one I want called the Taj Mahal, and this one is very similar, but it's one I've wanted for a while. Still not that beloved London Eye one. I really want that, but you know, we just have to hope and pray we can find it, because every time I want it on Vinted, I literally go to buy it and within about seconds someone's bought it. So yeah, because what I do with Vinted is I favourite it and then I leave it an hour, because if you leave it an hour, the chances is that seller's going to give you an offer, and then normally within about 2-3 hours it's sold, and I'm like, no, I want that London Eye one, it's not fair. Right, okay, lovely. Wow, sorry about this, it's still got a bit of so much tape on this, still a bit, oh, all right. Oh, looky. Oh, we got some free gifts. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, how lovely is that? That's really nice. We've got some sort, what's that, stickers or something? This is a free gift. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, wow. These are like little stickers. Oh, how cute. Look at that wolf one. We've got another wolf. Oh, that's nice. That's like an autumny one. These are classic Temu stickers, I can tell. And then a wolf one. Oh, that's nice, but I've completely ripped the bag up. But I'm not a lover of rose gold anyway, so. And then we've got another one here, a little thank you card. And does it say anything on the back? No? Brilliant. I'll use that for my sales. Now, as you can see, great care has been taken, you know, gone into this, because she's packed bubble wrap all around the side, all around the back here. It's like it's lying in a coffin. You know, with it all, like all the pillaring that they put in the coffin and stuff. But this is, let's get this whacking great big box off first, because it's quite a massive box, and yeah, the bin men are gonna love that, seeing all this packaging. But anyway, this is one I really wanted, and it's a fairly new one. It's called the Fairy Tale Castle, and they're £15 in B&Ms. That's interesting. That's gone up, because I'm sure that used to be £12.99, and then you get 2 for £24. So lovely offer there. But I've discovered on the back, somewhere down, it used to be somewhere down here, it said they retail for 30 quid. So anyway, but this, from what I see, I reckon, I don't know if it's inside the cart or the lights up, because they've got it all round there, but it kind of gives the illusion that it's lighted up in the car, so it'd be really good if it did. But I don't know what it is with these kits. Has everyone noticed that every time you unbox these, all the lights, regardless of where they are, they're always round the edge. They never really put them in the painting. I mean, you could do that so that the wire comes through the board and shines on these little light bits, but they always seem to be like round the edge, and it would be nice if they could plumb some into it. I mean, you could mod it if you wanted to. It's easy to, you know, re-juggle the wires, drill a small hole and poke it up. So it's easy to do that. Right, let's get into here, because she said it was new. So first things I'm noticing, there's no tape there. So this has been, someone's had a look in this by the looks of it, but it is new, as you can see. It's not been turned off and what have you. So wow, oh look, the dreaded purple. I can't stand that colour. But let's just take a look for, oh, look at that. Oh god, it's a lot of purple. Yeah, when I bought this I was very reluctant, because I don't like purple, but it's a castle and I haven't got a castle, so that's the reason why I got it. But this is interesting. You've got a purple river, look. it's all been contaminated. You know, water's supposed to be blue. Well, something is lurking in that water because it's all gone purple. But let's get into here. So what I'm checking first of all is that obviously this is all intact, in which it is fabulous. And then obviously this actually came the other day, but I had to go over to my relatives for a few days, which I'll talk about in an upcoming Whip and Chat, because I had to look after Molly. So oh, come on. Yeah, so the next thing I'm looking for is the battery. So I don't know if you noticed, but these boards are awfully thin. They just don't really feel thin, but let's switch it on. If it don't come on, we've got a problem. Yeah, looking at that, nothing's coming on. Can you see that? Oh, was there a flicker there? I can see something flicking in that bit there. You see, keep your eye on that bit. Is it me or is something... Is that on or off? I can't tell if it's on. Oh yeah, there's something flashing there, look. It's just there. But the problem is I can't tell because it's like, it's too dark. I wonder if we go like that, would it? I don't know. This is the problem, because it's a bit of a predicament, because if you film it in daylight, you can't see the lights, but if you don't film it in daylight, you're not going to get what it looks like in the light. It could be like a shadow. But from what I can see that there's something flashing there. But there's a little bit of flash there that it could be that the batteries need renewing, but looking at that, they're flashing there as well. Is there any more flashing? I don't know. Well, I'm just going to have a look under the desk a minute just to see if I could... Oh, right, yeah, this is very weak. There's not really many lights in this. Oh my God, this is awful. That's really bad. I'm not happy with this because, as you can see, the moon's lit up. If I turn that off, you see it flash on. But, oh my God, this is not good. Wow, hang on a minute. Let me just put that back under there a minute. What I'm going to do is pause the video and then I'll unpause it and then you tell me what you think. Okay, so this is under the desk. So the moon's on, but look. There's a light there, there's a light there, a few there, but it's not very... There's not many lights, is there? This is not very good. I've had paintings before that have had loads of lights, but there's hardly any lights on this. That's not good at all. So, I don't know. I'm kind of not sure what to do about this because this is a bit misleading because you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and yet there's only half a dozen working. So this is the problem with these light ups. They're so cheaply made, and the wiring, I've actually looked at one before. The blue, I've got one that's got a wire problem and the wiring is so flimsy. It's unbelievable. But it's difficult because it's not the seller's fault. This is a factory problem, but you know, I feel like it's kind of like not working. However, I'm going to release the payment because it's not the seller's fault. It was all shrink wrapped and stuff. This is a malfunction somewhere. It could very well be that we need stronger batteries because, you know, when they're in here, we don't know how long them batteries have been in there. Really what they're supposed to do is when a battery's not started yet, you're supposed to have a little white tab thing that you pull out and that starts the battery. A lot of these don't have that, so it could be that something's knocked it and it's been switched on the whole time. We don't know, but I mean, if push comes to shove, I'll just have it without the lights on. It is what it is. But yeah, slightly disappointed because there's not enough lights in it, I think. I think there should be more than that. But anyway, that's the painting. And then this is the legend. So maybe we should do it and then just test it out in the dark. But normally if I can't see it, I put it under the desk to see what the lighting's like. Okay, so we've got the bag, wax and stuff, and can see here. Wow, yeah, so I'm disappointed. You can probably tell in my voice, but it's, I just feel like there should be more lights. I don't know what's got wrong with that painting. It's quite misleading because on the box it just shows loads of lights and then you look at it and it's like, oh, is this it? So we've got like a pink, we've got a purple, another purple, a black, a purple, a light blue, a gorgeous purple colour, a lilac, a yellowy colour, a blue, a dark blue, a pink, light pink and a purple. So yeah, and then we've also got these ones as well, J, K and N, so Joker, Knight and Nemo. But anyway, so yeah, I'll pop that back in the box for the minute because as we all know with these ones, they don't give you a DMC code. So yeah, I'm going to pop this back in the box. That can sit next door to the Santa painting one that I've got often. But yeah, what a lovely one. Fairy Tale Castle. I must have them all now. I mean, I can't think of any other ones they could possibly sell. But yeah, let us know what you think, because I definitely don't think there's that many lights in this. It's very, very misleading. I'm really disappointed. I think there should be more. But as I say, you know, I got it for £3. She only wanted £3 for it, so I was like, might as well get it. If not, I could always get new wiring for it. I don't know where you would get that sort of wiring, but it really does amaze me, you know, why people sell this at a loss. Like, if you're going to sell something on Vinted, you need to make a profit. And, you know, this was £15. I mean, some people just like to sell it because they're fed up with it stuck in the house and stuff, but it's just, I don't know, I just feel like you're selling at a loss. So yeah, but anyway, that's it. Very disappointed. It's a lovely painting, don't get me wrong, it's just the lights, I feel it's a little bit poor. They really have not given us enough lights. But anyway, that's our next light up kit. If you like it, these are available through B&M's or Vinted. They don't seem to sell them all year round, so you just got to get it as and when you can. But I will see you tomorrow for our very delayed whip and chat of stage 3 of the Shark. The schedule has been pushed out a little bit because there was a technical problem with stage 3 of the Shark, and I'm still trying to fix it, so it's taking longer than I thought. But anyway, thank you for watching, take care, have a wonderful day, cheerio.